Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm making frozen chocolate banana treats. This recipe combines banana slices, chocolate, and your favorite toppings to make an easy and delicious bite-sized dessert. So let's get started. Take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and then set aside. In a microwave-safe cup or bowl, add one 11.5 ounce package of either milk chocolate or semi-sweet chips and 2 tablespoons of canola or vegetable oil. Melt this in the microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until it is melted. Be careful not to burn it. For this recipe, you will need 3 ripe bananas. Take a banana and peel it, and then slice it into about 1/2 inch slices. Take one of the banana slices and dip it into your melted chocolate using a fork. Scrape off any excess chocolate. Now coat your chocolate dipped banana slice with your favorite toppings. Today I'm using chopped peanuts, coconut flakes, and sprinkles. But you can use whatever type of topping you like, such as granola, toffee bits, or even crushed pretzels. Now place the covered banana slice onto your prepared baking sheet. Repeat until you have used all of your banana slices. If your melted chocolate gets too thick, add another teaspoon of oil and reheat it in the microwave to thin the chocolate and make it more dippable. Once you have coated all of your banana slices, place them in the freezer for several hours to let the chocolate set up and the banana slices to freeze. And here they are, frozen chocolate banana treats. These should be stored in the freezer in a freezer-safe container. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com.
I'm rolling.